the new project. Just picked up. Needs a wee bit of work. But mainly all original. Sitting in a field. That she's very straight. Factory 5-speed. Well, stay tuned guys, this thing's going to be a weapon. This is the first time it's been running in just over 8 years. So, put a new fuel pump in it this morning, new fuel filter, and she fired up pretty quickly to live again. She's a bit of a mess at the moment. Nothing's changed much since the last video, but as you can see, she's a large shed. That will get turned into a paint booth in there. So, yeah. Alright guys, just an update on the VL progress. Just doing a lot, and I mean a lot, of rust work on this thing. I forgot to record, but yeah, just stripping her down now. So all the front cowl, she's gone, but can replace it all. But that's pretty much just all around the windscreens. It's where all the rust is. So, yep, got all the lights. They're all in. We're still working in here. She's not 100%. Oh, child. So, but very, very tidy on the interior. Walk out. So, got all the trailer done. So, everything's all rolling at the moment. So, yeah, just quick update on how the VL's going. The VC will be up here once everything's all done. We do have looking at another donor car for this. So, yeah, still waiting on the hoist to come. It's been delayed. Air compressor's got to get connected up. But yeah, surprise is under the bonnet, but I'll leave that for another video. It's just also with this VL, guys, it has not been started since 2003 when it was last towed. It's been sitting in a paddock for all that time, so that's why she's so just everything's just built up, just sit there and rotted. So our job is to put this thing back on the road and just make a real nice car out of her. Give it what it deserves. So hey guys, that will do it for this week's episode. If you haven't liked and subscribed, please consider liking and subscribing. We will bring you more content once we finish everything up there. It's just a big rush at the moment to get it all done. A few delays. Just hang in there. We'll have some pretty cool stuff. That VL's got a wicked engine in it. Just wait. Hint is, it is turboed. No, it's not a V8. But yeah, it'll surprise you. All right. Thanks for watching. Cheers, guys.